Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and I am a happy planner fanatic. If you are not already, I would love to have you as one of my brand new subscribers here on my YouTube channel. I share all sorts of happy planner content, all about my different planners and tips and tricks, all sorts of things. So in this video, I am decorating my mini vertical planner, and I am using Miss Maker. So I pulled out this tiny one because, you know, it has small stickers, so I really want to use this one. And then I also have these two that came with the accessory pack. I have the value sticker book, but I'm gonna try to just use these two to kind of like change things up. And then of course I have lots of the washi. So I haven't used any of this yet. This is gonna be my first time using the brand new Miss Maker, so I'm excited. Okay, I think I want to use this one. Let me see. Yeah, that's like the perfect size. Okay, I'm gonna do that one on this side. And then on this side, maybe I'll do some layering. Maybe I'll layer these two like down here, but do like the blue scissors up here. So cute. I really, really like the color scheme. I think it is a really good mix between kind of like muted, sophisticated colors and pastels. Like nothing too bright, but nothing too pastel-y, you know? Yeah, I just think it's really, really good. Okay. I use my mini kind of here and there. You know, I'm not here to say like, I am perfect with my mini. I use it all the time, because that would be a lie, but I try. And I feel like I say this every single time in my mini plan with me's, but I'm just trying to be real with you that I really want to use my mini, and every single week I say, you know, oh my gosh, I love this spread. I'm gonna use it this week. I can't wait. But then it just kind of goes on the back burner, and I end up kind of either forgetting about it, or I don't know, I just don't. Oh, look, there's another one at the bottom, this stripe. I just end up forgetting to use it. So anyways, just being honest. Okay, so as far as things happening this week, not really much other than some appointments on Thursday. I think I could just use this sheet and put both of the appointments on there, like this. And I'm gonna put it this way so I can put both in there, and it fits better that way. Okay. Tuesday, have some things to go do. So I'm gonna put remember in red. And then Friday, a few little things that I want to make sure I don't forget about. Were there boxes in here or no? I think it's only decor. Okay, so I could just put remember. Okay. And that's it. So at the top, I want to do something cute. And I also really want to use this too. Let's do make all the things. That's so, oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, 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 oh. Also, if you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you may be asking or wondering why I'm keeping it in the discs this time. And I don't really know. I'm just keeping it in the discs this time. Don't cut corners. Oh my gosh. How cute is that? I'm gonna put that up on the weekend. That's so fun. But yeah, I don't know, trying something different this time, keeping it in the discs. Let's see, could put this Thursday. This is perfect for the sidebar, perfect size. DIY all day. Look at this scrapbook. I'm gonna put this camera right here, and thinking some scissors down here. Maker's gonna make. I'm gonna put that on the weekend. I've been using my Uniball Signo white gel pen in place of my whiteout, just a little bit, to try and cut back on how much whiteout I use. This is a really good pen. I just don't want it to squirt out and get on my finger. Okay, yay! So now you can't see the black lines under. Okay, my friend just called me and she's like, what are you doing? I'm like, filming a video. She's like, oh no, I'm sorry I interrupted you. Okay, but I'm almost done. So let me see. I just want to put a few little decorations here and there. I like this pink planner. I'll put that on Wednesday, kind of like right here. And definitely want to use some pens. Okay. And what else? I just realized I put 2 remembers. I didn't mean to do that, but it just kind of happened. What else? Oh, look at these. Wake and Make. Oh my gosh, look how funny. I'm gonna do the orange one. I need my... I think I want to cut the gold off because I really don't have any gold on the page. Oops. That is so cute. Oh, I love it. Okay. Look at all these really cute quotes at the back. Oops. Oh, I didn't put a sewing machine. I was about to put that down. Let me see. Right here. What color do I not have enough of? Let's do orange. Perfect for October. Okay. Maybe put it down here. Right on the line. Anything else? Glue gun? Maybe put it like right here. I just don't want to do too much. Oh, let me put some string, the yarn right beside. That's cute. Okay, I think that's it. Y'all probably heard the dogs in the background the entire time. But, you know, here we are, doing the dang thing. As if they didn't play enough for the past, oh, you know, an hour outside with me. Okay. All right. I'm going to call it. I'm going to say I'm finished. So there it is. I guess I didn't use any of this sheet because it's all gold foil, but I used a few off of this. So that is all done. Ooh, I really like Miss Maker. It's so good. Okay, let me know what you guys think. Maybe I should do a little bit of this washi before I miss my chance. Am I right? I'm gonna put some right here. And I want to cut it right up against the circle. So it looks like it's, you know, forming to it. Should I put some down here? Yes. Okay, all done. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and if you have been able to get your hands on any of the Miss Maker stuff. I think I have probably most of it other than planners. So I am really set. I'm a Miss Maker lover. This one and the original. So anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.